Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to wrap the text around an object using the pen tool. Now let's begin. First, create the margin by pulling down your ruler. If you don't see your ruler, go to your view and from here select the rulers and it will appear your ruler. If I click it here, you can see my ruler is gone. If you have like this, go to your view and select rulers, you will get the rulers. Once you have created your margins, press the shortcut key P from the keyboard or just go to the pen tool, and this is the pen tool. I just press the P from keyboard. Now make a selection by using the pen tool. Here, by holding the shift key and click, you will create a straight line. And join your starting point. And we are going to wrap the text on this side. So I made a selection on this side. Now press the T or go to your text tool and come and click over here. You can see the text is wrapped within inside the margin you have created and inside the pen tools. And to add the more text, go to the text type and paste lorem ipsum. This will paste the Photoshop sample text. And once you are satisfied with your text, press it OK. That's it. This is how you wrap the text around the image. If you want to remove the margin, just remove and bring it back to the Now your margin has been removed, and this is how you wrap the text in Photoshop by using the pen tool. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. See you next time. Bye.